All right, we welcome everyone to this March 6, 2023 meeting of the Corsicana ISD Board of Trustees. This is a board workshop, and all the items that will be discussed have been duly posted. While this is a meeting in public, it is not a meeting of the public. If you wish to speak, please register in the lobby on the audience for guest form and follow the information on the speaker form. The board's role is to set goals, approve personnel budgets, make policy, and provide oversight. We are not here to manage or solve individual problems. Management is the responsibility of the superintendent. As a board, we believe that we must educate every child, provide every child with the greatest opportunity to learn, maintain a safe and secure environment, mentally, physically, emotionally, and academically. These are our core values. We appreciate your interest in the students of CISD. All right, do we have any audience for guests? No. All right, discussion and action items.
We have one item on the agenda for today, and it is to discuss and consider approval of 2 buses. Mr. Nielsen?
Thank you. Good evening. Yes, the request is to purchase 2 Microbird Model G5 buses at a cost of $92,158 for a total cost of $184,316. These are 14-passenger special needs buses. These buses were included in our transportation budget for this year. We budgeted $220,000. The cost of these buses are a total of $184,316. These buses also come with smart tag and safety vision camera system mounted in the buses already.
Is the safety cameras, is that just like a rear backup, or is that when they're driving?
No, that is when they're driving. There's a recorder from the front of the bus, and then there's also a camera in the back of the bus that so you can see all the kids from there if we ever have any issues.
Right. Okay.
That's good. That's good.
Any questions?
And did you say it had the smart tag or smart tag?
They do
system
have
on it?
smart tag
Okay.
and the camera
The
system.
camera, okay.
And that's all included in the prices.
Okay. All right, if there's no questions, we need a motion.
I make a motion that we approve the purchase of 2 Microbird Model G5 buses for $92,158 each for a total of $184,316.
Second.
All right, we have a motion and a second. All in favor?
Aye.
All not in favor?
Thank you.
Motion passes.
Thank you.
All right, so we have 2 new buses coming.
Do you know when they might be delivered? Do you know when they might be
It
delivered?
should be pretty quick because they're already made. They're waiting on us, and that's so.
They just need
with this approval, we'll do the PO tomorrow.
We'll tell them checks in the mail.
Check them out. Just deliver them. Yeah.
Yeah.
Great
All right,
job.
great.
All right, and that is it. So we will close this meeting. We will adjourn.